Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 9 Subject Physics Unit number 6. Today is our topic Major Sources of Energy. Today's our topic Major Sources of Energy. The energy we use come from the sun and wind and water power and so on. Actually all of the energy we get comes direct or indirectly from the sun. So first of all we will explain about the fossil fuels. So we know that the fossil fuels are a non-renewable sources because they took millions of years for their formation. So there are simple examples over there. We use fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas to heat our houses and run industry and transport. So these fossil fuels usually are the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are those compounds of carbons and hydrogen. When they burnt in the air, they combine with the hydrogen from the air, and the carbon becomes carbon dioxide, hydrogen becomes hydrogen oxide called the water, while energy is released at the heat in this case of a coil. So the data is here. This is the definition. We can say that they are the non-renewable sources because they took millions of years for their formation. They are usually hydrocarbons, and hydrocarbons are those compounds of carbon and hydrogen. When they burn in combine with oxygen from air, then the chemical equation is written over there: carbon plus oxygen, and they combine with the carbon dioxide and heat will be released. So when hydrocarbons plus oxygen, and it will become in the carbon dioxide, water, and heat energy will be released. So we can see that the fossil fuels took millions of years for their formation. We are using fossil fuels at a very fast rate. Their use is increasing day by day to meet our energy needs. If we continue to use them at a present rate, they will soon be exhausted. Once their supply is exhausted, the world would face serious energy crisis. The fossil fuels would not be able to meet our future energy needs. We should avoid to use excess use of fossil fuels. By we can save our serious problems in our social and economically problems for the countries like us. Therefore we must use them wisely and all the same time develop a new energy sources our future survival. So moreover, fossil fuels release harmful wastage products, and these waste including carbon monoxide and other harmful gases which pollute our environment. By this pollutant air, or you can say that environment, there will be a case of serious health problems, and the serious health problems over there. So these are the serious problems why the fossil fuel waste is: headache, tension, nausea, allergic reactions, irritations of eyes, nose, and throat. Long exposure of these harmful gases may cause asthma, lung cancer, heat disease, and even damage to brain, nervous, and the organs of the body. These are the some diseases by fossil fuels wastes. So we should use a proper way to dispose these wastes, and use of fossil fuels we should avoid, and we have to create and other sources by meet our energy sources. So so the next energy sources are nuclear fuels. In nuclear power plants, we get energy as a result of fusion reactions. Fusion means when a big particle split into a smaller particles and give a large amount of heat. That reactions is known as a fusion reactions. Again, the reactions in which a big atom release energy by by destroy itself into a small parts. In other words, you can say that when a big particle break down into a small parts, they release a huge amount of energy that known as a, that we can say that that is a Fian reaction. So during Fian reactions, heavy atoms such as uranium atoms split up into a smaller parts, releasing a large amount of energy. Nuclear power plants give out a lot of nuclear radiations and vast amount of heat. A part of its heat is used to run power plants, while a lot of heat gas into the waste into the environment. So here is the nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant will get energy as a result of Fian reactions, and Fian reaction in which a heavy atom such as uranium atoms split up into the smaller parts, releasing a large amount of heat energy. This heat is used to run a power plants, while other heat goes waste into the environment. We should use a proper way to use the energy which is left behind into the waste environment. That we can say that by this process we can save a large amount of heat for our systems. This is our topic. So now, renewable energy sources. In the renewable energy sources, we can say that there is a sunlight and water power are the renewable sources. So they will not run out like a coal, oil and gas. This is our topic.